Imagine a motorcycle that, over 4 decades, not only dominated the streets of Brazil, but became a symbol of resilience and efficiency, surviving economic crises, technological changes, and market evolution. What makes the Honda CG so special? The secret behind this icon goes far beyond its robust engine or low maintenance costs. There's a fascinating story of innovation and adaptation that few people know, and it's about to be revealed. The Honda CG, one of the most iconic motorcycles in the world, carries with it a captivating history of innovation, endurance, and success. Since its launch in the 1970s, it has become a phenomenon, especially in Brazil, where it is considered a symbol of affordable and reliable mobility. Its journey reflects not only the technological changes in the motorcycle sector, but also the evolution of society and consumer needs over the past 4 decades. The beginning. Born in an era of change, 1976. In the mid-1970s, Brazil faced a period of social and economic transformation. The country experienced a growing demand for affordable means of transportation, as the working class expanded rapidly and needed an economical solution to tackle daily commuting challenges in large cities and rural areas. Honda, already an internationally recognized brand for its motorcycles, saw a golden opportunity to introduce a vehicle to the Brazilian market that would stand out for its simplicity, durability, and low maintenance cost. In 1976, the Honda CG 125 made its debut in Brazil. With a 4-stroke engine and 125 cubic centimeters displacement, the CG was designed to be a sturdy, easy-to-ride, and highly economical bike. The choice of a 4-stroke engine, instead of the traditional 2-stroke, reflected a concern for efficiency and low fuel consumption. Additionally, the 4-stroke engine emitted fewer pollutants, which was a significant advance, even in an era when environmental concerns were not yet in the spotlight. The name CG stood for Commuter General, indicating that the motorcycle was specifically designed as a practical day-to-day means of transportation. And this was exactly what the Brazilian public was looking for. The CG quickly became the favorite bike for workers, delivery riders, students, and anyone who needed a tough and affordable vehicle. Conquering Brazil, popularity and expansion. The success of the Honda CG in Brazil was meteoric. In no time, it became not only the best-selling motorcycle in the country, but also a true icon of affordable mobility. Its versatility and durability were essential characteristics for the Brazilian market, where road conditions varied widely, and the maintenance cost of more sophisticated vehicles was beyond the reach of many. The CG 125 was ideal for dealing with pothole-filled roads, muddy rural paths, and chaotic urban traffic. Its simple maintenance and low-cost spare parts made it the top choice for those who needed a work motorcycle. Delivery riders, couriers, and small business owners found the CG an indispensable tool for their businesses. This popularity came not just from its mechanical efficiency, but also from Honda's positioning in the Brazilian market. The brand built a solid reputation for reliability, offering a wide service network and competitive prices for spare parts. This quickly made the CG not just an affordable bike, but also a trusted one, enduring daily heavy use and the test of time. Evolution and modernization, 1980s and 1990s. As the 1980s progressed, Honda realized it needed to continue innovating to keep the CG relevant in an increasingly competitive market. During this time, the CG began undergoing updates both in design and mechanics. In 1983, the CG 125 today was launched, introducing design innovations and mechanical improvements, such as a more efficient suspension system. In the 1990s, Honda introduced the CG 125 Titan, a model that became a true classic. In addition to performance improvements, the Titan brought a more modern and sporty design, attracting a new generation of motorcyclists. The engine now featured electronic ignition, which improved efficiency and made everyday use easier, especially in cities. During this decade, the CG also became the basis for various model variations, adapting to the specific needs of consumers. For example, versions with electric start appeared, making it easier to use and less tiring for riders, especially in continuous use situations. Honda CG 150. A new chapter, 2004. In 2004, Honda decided to raise the bar even further for the CG line, launching the Honda CG 150. This new model was a milestone in the motorcycle's history, offering more power and better performance without sacrificing the qualities that made the CG 125 a success. The 150 cubic centimeters engine provided more torque and power, making the bike more agile and capable of handling a wider range of situations. With the increase in displacement, Honda also focused on safety and comfort improvements. The CG 150 was equipped with more efficient brakes and a suspension system that offered a smoother ride. This made the motorcycle ideal not only for those who needed a work vehicle but also for those who used it for leisure or personal transportation. Another significant innovation came in 2009, the introduction of the Flex engine. The Flex system allowed the CG 150 to run on both gasoline and ethanol, a technology especially relevant in a country like Brazil, where ethanol is a widely available and cheaper fuel option. This gave consumers another reason to choose the CG, as the motorcycle became even more fuel efficient. A symbol of modernity, recent innovations, 2010 and beyond. As the years passed, the Honda CG continued to modernize, always staying ahead of the competition. In 2014, the line underwent a complete redesign, with a more aggressive and sporty look aimed at attracting a young and urban audience. Honda also invested in safety technologies, such as the introduction of the CBS, combined brake system, which distributes braking between the front and rear wheels, offering greater stability and safety for the rider. In addition, the model adopted electronic fuel injection, a major advancement that improved engine performance and further reduced fuel consumption. This evolution was not only technical but also reflected changes in consumer behavior, with more value placed on efficiency and technology in their vehicles. The release of the CG 160 marked yet another leap in the evolution of the line. This model offered even more performance and efficiency, along with a modern design that appealed to young motorcyclists. The CG 160 was equipped with advanced technology, like a digital dashboard, and had an updated look, aligned with trends in the sports motorcycle market. The Honda CG in Brazil, a true icon. If there is one motorcycle that can be considered the heart of Brazilian motorcycling, it is the Honda CG. In over 40 years of existence, it has established itself as the best-selling motorcycle in Brazil, a country where economic and geographic conditions require versatile, economical, and reliable vehicles. Its popularity is so great that the CG has transcended its role as a simple means of transportation, becoming part of popular culture and a symbol of work, persistence, and mobility. Thousands of Brazilians rely on the CG daily for their livelihood, whether as delivery riders, mototaxi drivers, or even small entrepreneurs. The bike is more than just a mode of transportation. It is an essential work tool for many. Its durability and ease of maintenance are praised across the country, from large urban centers to the most remote regions. Legacy and future. Throughout its history, the Honda CG has proven to be much more than just an entry-level motorcycle. It has become synonymous with reliability and efficiency, crossing generations and being chosen by both new motorcyclists and those who need a bike for hard work. The CG represents the perfect union between simplicity and innovation. While many motorcycle models strive to stand out with complexity and high-tech features, the CG remains steadfast in its commitment to efficiency and practicality, proving that sometimes less is more. Looking to the future, the Honda CG seems ready to continue its reign. Adapting to new consumer demands and evolving technologies, such as alternative fuels and advanced safety systems, the CG remains poised to face the challenges ahead. The legacy of the Honda CG is far from over, and it is safe to say that it will continue to be an integral part of Brazil's streets for many years to come. A success story that began in 1976 and, by all indications, still has many chapters left to be written. If you enjoyed it, please share, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thank you very much for watching.